why there were many angels was being falsely accused by Satan, by Lucifer. So, kini nga struggle, iyang gi-condemn ang gobyerno sa Dios dito sa langit. Nga ang Dios unfair, ang Dios ang iyang gobyerno dili makinayon. Mao na ang iyang akusasyon. And then, according sa story, ang pinaka-dako na nahinog ang iyahang gitawag na revolusyon, it was because that it was during the time of Christ's coronation na Jesus was being announced as God. And the number one reason why Lucifer naka-niturok sa iyang kasing-kasing ang gitawag ng pagkaingit, pagka-jealous, enviousness, covetousness, jealousy, it was because during the creation of the world, he was not included. It was only the creation committee, the God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, who created the world. Na-question siya, nga nung wala man kumapir na I was pinaka-sikat na anghel dinhi sa trono sa Diyos. Mga kaigsunan, mautoy nundan nga nagsugod sa iyang kasing-kasing ang pagselos. Nga naman, may gitawag nga eyes, 5 eyes of Satan. Actually, kanag-usahe, kinaiyan nato na may ganitang ako na guni. Beware of that because you will be having a satanic attitude. For you have said in your heart, I will ascend into heaven, I will exalt myself, my throne above the stars of God, I will be like the Most High. So, the ambition of Satan or Lucifer, that he wants to be like God. No? Now, there was an insinuation kana parang pakampanya, underground movement dito na sa langit. So, ang kanang gitawag na underground movement or kanang rebellion against the government, it was already parang pattern lamang in heaven na doon ay committee nga ginahimo si Satan. And then, ingon din di paklaro, rebel against majesty of heaven. Lucifer said, o tandaan na to ang sala ni Lucifer, he rebelled against majesty of heaven, the Creator, and made himself apart from God's will, set his opinion above God's authority, proclaim himself another God. So Lucifer in heaven, naghimo-himo siya iyang gobyerno dito, and he proclaimed himself as another God. Okay? Now, the work of the angel, ang purpose ng angel is a ministering spirit, no? To protect, no? To guard God's people. There was a cosmic struggle for control of the universe. Why would God create a being like Lucifer to choose to rebel? Iya bang ginahimo ang si Lucifer para mag-rebel nila? It was because why did God program Lucifer na rebel kung himo na nagrumot si Lucifer para kung siya gusto sa Ginoo matuman? But ano man, ang Diyos naghimo gitawag na freedom of choice, human rights. So gihatag na even to the angels. Ang Ginoo dili gusto nga mo-follow ang iyang mga katawhan, ang mga angels, not because of their own will, but because of kanang nahadlok sila. No? Kung sampulan lang nga kung patyon diretso si Satanas, ang kanang anghel mo wala sa Ginoo, mo worship na.